Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Arizona sales tax account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.aztaxes.gov. Once you do this, you will end up in the official web portal of Arizona Taxes account. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address which you have registered and hit the next button. After you tap on the next button, you will get logged in your account back. However, if you are a new user, tap on new user enrollment to create an account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.